Alright, I've got something from the special aisle in Aldi. Alright, how you doing? Welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today, I've got this. It's Munchies, Gooey, Caramel and Biscuit sharing bar. And I found this in Aldi, priced at 99 pence. And it's a sharing bar, so don't be greedy and eat it all yourself. 99p, is it me or is that a bit pricey? Because I think it's a bit pricey that for a chocolate bar. It's not even that big. You want me to share this? Crap. Anyway, so there it is. It looks pretty tasty and it is suitable for vegans. So vegetarians, sorry, not vegans. It's suitable for vegetarians. So if you're one of them, you're all right. Anyway, let's crack it open and have a look. It's new as well, apparently. There you go, look at that. Hey, looks alright, doesn't it? I thought there was going to be like all goo and caramel that come out of there. But no. Anyway, let's try it. It's tasty. It's literally a little munchy sweet in a bar. Is it worth 99p? No, it's not. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because I think it's an absolute rip-off. But it's tasty enough and it's telling me I've got to share it, so I better go and give some to the other half. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. Catch you lot on the next video. See you later.